So we got this situation, the curve described parametrically. So your curve is this thing, and it is represented in the form of parametric. Okay, so you have to judge it represents what. It represents straight line, circle, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola. Okay, you have to go that way. So x is equal to t square plus t plus 1, y is equal to t square minus t plus 1. Now look at this. In previous illustrations we used to get what in terms of t. So if it is t square, so in other equation we get t, so we can directly take value of t and substitute there. So how we will approach this question? Okay, so look at this. We have problem with t square. So why don't we uh, just add ones and subtract ones? Look at this. If you will add, what will happen? X plus y will become 2t square plus tt gone, and then 2. If you'll go with subtract, so x minus y will be equal to what? T square gone. Okay, you will be left with 2t. So you got value of t as x minus y by 2. Okay, now you can substitute this value over there. So x plus y is equal to 2 times x minus y. I'll go with square on numerator, and then 4 plus 2. Now let's multiply both sides by 2. So 2x 2y is equal to a square plus b square minus 2xy, and then 4. Okay, now look at this. You got your curve x square plus y square minus 2xy minus 2x minus 2y plus 4. So you got equation of curve. So how will you judge whether this curve is representing which thing? Okay, like, wait, like look at this. So you know that it is 2-degree curve, so it may represent a straight line. Okay, so for a straight line you know that delta should be 0. Okay, it look like a b c f g h f g h. If determinant of this thing comes out to be 0, then it is a pair of straight line. Okay, if coefficient of x, like we know for circle, coefficient a equals to b equals to 1 and h should be 0. This is the condition for circle. Then for parabola, okay, for parabola, h square is equal to ab. This is for parabola. Okay, h square smaller than ab, ellipse. Okay, h square is greater than ab, hyperbola. Correct. So if you'll go with h, here h is what? 1, sorry, minus 1. So h square is 1. And then if you'll go with a and b, so it is 1 into 1 is 1, so it is equal, so it is representing parabola. Okay, in examination you have to approach this way. First you have to figure out whether it is representing pair of straight line or not, then go with circle, then parabola, then ellipse, and then hyperbola. I hope idea is clear.